Hello everybody, my name is Karl and I am a master trainer in Edubridge Learning Private Limited. So I welcome you all to this wonderful session. Thank you so much for joining my video session. So do not forget to like my video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to more such amazing videos from expert trainers and watch till the end of the video and to get know about your surprise gift. So why are we waiting? Let's go to the session. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find the uses of Pascal's triangle to solve the question, especially the questions from permutation combination. This combination question, we're going to find how to solve this question using the Pascal's triangle. Let me take you guys through what is Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle, I hope you have studied in your school days that you have 1 and then what is that? 1 1. It mostly it will be starts with 1 1 and then it will be going with 1 2 1. Yes. So what you have to do is you have to add the middle two values and then put it as a middle value. And then you have to have this 1 plus 2 will be having 3. And 2 plus 1 will be having 3 and then that 1 will come over here. And then 1. So now you can able to tell with me like 1 plus 3 will be having 4. 3 plus 3 will be having 6. 3 plus 1 will be having 4 again and we have 1. And then after that you'll be having 1, 5 and then 4 plus 6 which is 10. 6 plus 4 which is 10 again. 4 plus 1 which is 5 and then 1. And then you have 1 and then what do you have? So 5 plus 1 which is 6. 5 plus 10 which is 15. 10 plus 10 which is 20 and 10 plus 5 is 15 again, 5 plus 1 is 6 and then 1. So this triangle shape, this triangle is called as Pascal triangle. So let me tell you this, like how this Pascal triangle is going to help me to find the question, find the answer for this particular question, which this question, as I already told you, as already we discussed this topic, which is a permutation and combination topic where we discuss a lot of things about permutation and types of permutation and different problems on that, right? So if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Online with Edubridge, you can see a lot of questions on permutation combination. I just want you to be able to look at that particular videos and then come over here. So now look at this. I'll be reading the question for you. From a group of 6 men and 5 women, 4 persons has to be selected so that at least 2 women are there on a committee. So here what the question is, they are going to form a committee where the total number of total number of men in that group, right, which is 6 men and then we have 5 women. And then out of this 6 men and 5 women, right, we are going to form a committee where 4 persons will be there in the committee. Right, in that committee we have a rule which is at least 2 women should be there. At least two women should be there, which means so you cannot have less than 2 women. At least 2 women, which is there in every combination that we can able to make over here. So how many ways you can able to do that? So now look at this. This is what the Pascal's triangle. Now I'll tell you how to use this Pascal triangle to find the answer for this one. Very simple. Look at this. Look at this one. We'll start with this. This is 6C0. The value of 6C0 is 1. And then this is 6C1. Combination, right? I hope you know about the combination. NCR, which is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, right? I just want you people to look at the previous video which is uploaded on this particular YouTube channel, right? On Learn Online with Edubridge, right? So here you would have know about the NCR formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So now using this triangle we are going to solve this question. So as you know that 6CO, what is the value of that? 6C0 which is 1. 6C1 is 6. 6C2. I'll be telling you 6C2 which is nothing but 6 into 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 which is 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This is what it is. So what I'm doing over here is like 6 factorial, which means 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So 4 factorial and 4 factorial gets cancelled. So I'll be getting what? 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. So that is what. So if you cancel this also, you'll be getting 3, which is 15. So this is what you will be getting over here. right? So I'll simply get this using Pascal's triangle. So now look at this. I'll be erasing this one now. I'll be taking you with this. Look at this. 6C2 is 15. 6C3, which is 20. 6C4, which is 15. 6C5 is 6 and 6C6 is 1. So this is how it is. This value, which is 5C1, 5C0 is 1, 5C1 is 5, 5C2 is 10, 5C3 is 10 again, 5C4 is 5, 5C5 is 1. So all the values over here will be going in that way. So if you want to find the combination of this, right, you can easily find using the Pascal's triangle. Now come to the question. So 6 men, 5 women, 4 persons need to be selected. And they said at least 2 men are there in the committee. So what I can do over here is like I have to form a group of 4 persons. So 4C2 into 4C2. So I need to form how many people? 4 people in the team. Right? So 4C2, which means I have 2 women. So now 2 women are there. So 2 women are there in the committee. Done. Right? So 2 women can be there. So which means that nothing but from, like, I'll erase this. Right? I'll make it as 6. Out of 6 men, I am choosing 2 men. And then out of 5 women, so I'll write it as 5 over here. So 5 women, I have to choose 2 women. So totally 4. So this is a one way. Another one is, like, out of 6 men, I have to choose 1 man, and then out of 5 women, I have to choose 3, so that it becomes 1 plus 3, 4, and then plus there is no men, but all are women. All 4 are women. So 2, 3, 4. So all 4 are women. So this is how I can able to find it. Now can you able to look at this? In this, when you look at this, you can easily find the value. Now 6C2 is what? 6C2 is 15. So 15 into, what is 5C2? 5C2 is 10. 15 into 10 plus 6C1 is what? 6C1 is 6. And what is 5C3? 5C3 is 10. And then 6C0. 6C0 is 1. 1 into what is 5C4? 5C4 is, you'll be having 5 as your answer. Which means my final answer would be, very simple, that 15 into 10, I'll be writing over here, 15 into 10, 150 plus 6 into 10, which is 60 plus 5. So 150 plus 60, which is nothing but 210, 210 plus 5, which is 215 is my answer. How many ways I can do that? 215 is my answer for this particular question. This is a very, very simple question, and also yet you can easily solve when you know the Pascal's triangle. Again, I'll tell you, you can use the Pascal's triangle, especially this one, to find any questions where if you want to form a committee or that type of question, especially the combination one, using this methodology. Thank you guys.